Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Trading lesson number 4. Learn how to lose. If you overcome the feeling how to lose, dyan ka magsisimulang mag-progress sa trading journey mo. Bakit? Because if you cannot control your emotion, the moment na natatalo ka, is hindi malabong madamay yung iba mo pang capital. When you become emotional, that could lead to revenge trade. Kahit sino pang magagaling na trader na nakakaranas ng consistent wins for weeks or months or kahit years, pero pag nilamon ka ng emotion mo, is hindi malabong maubos lang lahat ng pinaghirapan mo sa loob ng isang araw o linggo. Ilang beses nang nangyayari yan, master. You need to accept that losing is part of the game at walang kahit sinong makakaiwas dyan. If you have the mindset na